Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to change the language of Bilibili. So, let's dive into it. If you want to do this through the app, then ensure the Bilibili app is installed on your mobile device. If not, you can download and install it through the App Store or Google Play Store. We can also do this through the website. Open your browser and go to bilibili.tv. Sign into your account. Next, move your cursor to the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Next, move the cursor to the language section with the world icon. Here, select the language you like. I will go with the English language. And there you have it. This is how you can easily change language on Bilibili. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Till next time.